So, good day everyone. So today, in this video, I'll be presenting our output of phases of inequality on Philippine social strata. So, as you can see in the picture, the pyramid is classified into three parts. First, the upper class, second is the middle class, and lastly, the lower class. So, the three classes are arranged in a pyramid to symbolize how wealth and power are distributed unevenly. At the top, at the top are the few people who hold most of the country's resources and influence, while the middle class represents professionals and workers who earn enough to live decently but still strive for stability. At the bottom are the lower class individuals such as farmers, drivers, and laborers who work the hardest yet often receive the least compensation and recognition. And reflecting on this, I realize how social inequality shape our everyday lives and opportunities. It reminds me that while success and comfort are possible, not everyone starts from the same point. Many people's struggles go unnoticed because of systematic barriers and economic imbalances. So, this image challenges me to be more aware, compassionate, and proactive, to value every person's contribution regardless of their class, and to support efforts that promote fairness, equal opportunity, and social justice.